everyone, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to create columns based upon lists and hashtags. So as you can see across the top, I've got quite a few different columns here, and this one is based upon a hashtag, so is this one, and then this one is based upon a list. So you can kind of see that, this one says it's a hashtag in here, whereas this one kind of looks like a paper that might have a list of people on it. So to create a list or a column based upon a hashtag, all you have to do is just type into the search over on the left side, and I'm just going to do HUSD chat again. I would just simply type that in, so hashtag HUSD chat. I hit enter, and you're going to see it drags me all the way over to the right, and then this column is now right here. And then if I wanted to move it up, I could just come over here to the left side and drag it closer to the top. Obviously, that's a duplicate. And just kind of a quick tip on if you wanted to remove that because you do have a duplicate, all you have to do is click this kind of little settings tab right here and then choose remove. So it's pretty easy to add hashtags into columns, and then that simply tracks all the hashtags or anything that has that hashtag in a person's tweet. So you can see that HUSD chat is in all of these tweets right here. Now, to create a list is just a little bit more complicated, but it's also really great because it really personalizes what you're looking for. And so a list is basically a group of individuals that you have put into a group based upon maybe a certain topic that you want to follow them only. So as an example, I have a list right here based upon educators that work in my district. Now, when I go to a person, I can add them to a list, or I can even create a new list all within TweetDeck. So I'm just going to come over here and use Leah for example, because she works in our district. And there's 3 dots right here next to her tweet. So I happen to see her. And I could even do this if I needed to search for her. I could search for her over here, and I could add her to a list from that menu as well. But since I see her right here, I'm going to click on those settings. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add or remove from lists. And then you can see that there are a set of lists here. And at the moment, because I had taken her out as an example, she's not in the HUSD list. So I could put her in HUSD. I could put her in EDU favorites. And when I am done, I can just simply click done, and she is now in that list. And if I wanted to, I could even create a new list and add her to that one as well. So when I hit done, she is now added to that list and will show up in this column only. Now, this is really useful because you might want to track, certain people that are in your district, or maybe you want to follow a group of people based upon what they share on educational technology or on, project-based learning. But this really allows you to personalize your TweetDeck to only follow those things that you are interested in at that time. As an example, maybe you want to learn more about HyperDocs. You could have a HyperDoc column, and then you can see all the things that people are posting about HyperDocs, which often includes a lot of great and free resources. And the same thing can be said for, project-based learning, Smashboards, or a variety of different educational and instructional technology tools that exist out there. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'd be happy to answer them.